Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, here we are, another Saturday, another shave. And I say it every week, as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today. First order of the day, the brush. Check that out. Absolutely beautiful. That is the Yaki Oceans. And that was gifted to me by Lee Hazley. Thank you, Lee. 26mm. My favourite Yaki brush, that, in the official John Shaves 101 Super Soaker. And Lee asked me to eat a wagon wheel. He said, "Your wagon wheel, your next shave, John." I got the wagon wheel, forgot it was there. Oh, and between that shave and this shave, some thief has stolen it. So no wagon wheel today. That's the brush. The razor gifted to me from Mark Davis. Check this out, guys. We all know what a DE89 head is or looks like, but this is my first ever Edwin Jagger DE89. I'll show you right now. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you to Mark Davis for that. Looking forward to that. And in that, we're going to put Gillette 7 o'clock green. These are good blades, these guys. We'll talk more about that later on. There you go. Let's get. Oh my word. Saturday morning. There you go. Gillette 7 o'clock. There's some blue spots on. We don't mind that, do we? Look, super stainless. Can you hear? I'm still a wincy bit chesty, but it's going. It's going. I slept well last night. I feel refreshed this morning. Just a little bit drowsy. There you go. Check that out, guys. Absolutely wonderful. We'll put that in there. And here we are. This cup's unbelievable, guys. It is a big, thick. It's the biggest, chunkiest, thickest, heaviest cup I've ever known. And we've got some sterling coffee in that. Ethiopian. Cheers, everybody. Oh, I tell you what. No, I'm going in for another sup. Oh my word! If you haven't tried sterling coffee, you need to. And sterling, if you ever see this, please start exporting to the UK. If you don't, John had to get that for me. Thank you very much, John. There you go, that's that. Okay, we're going to balm up with this Arran Aromatics. I've got the matching soap in there. I need to dig it out and have a shave. Arran Aromatics McRae Sea Salt and Rock Rose. It's a lovely, beautiful, salty sea air, ozonic type scent to this that ties in very well with what we're using today. Right, the pièce de résistance. Oh my word. The pièce de résistance, I'll say again. There you go. Rope swing. Summer Break Soap Company rope swing. Here you go. Summer Break Soap Company. We've got it on there. I'll just very briefly read you the bump. The goal with this scent was to further explore the idea of plunging into cold water on an exotic location. We initially went with the tropical poolside of Cannonball. With rope swing, we are headed to a pristine mountain lake. The scent notes on this one are dandelion, water, moss, galbanum, juniper, ozone, patchouli, and cedar. And it smells absolutely fantastic. Summer's dying, guys. One last go on the rope swing, eh? Before summer ends. There you go. And it does, I get the patchouli and I get the ozone. It smells absolutely wonderful. There you go. We're going up. Rope swing. Imagine that. The lake, the rope swing, swinging out, splashing into the water. Bruce Springsteen on the Ghetto Blaster. What's he blasting out? Tramps like us. Baby, we were born to run. You go. Oh my word. Come on. Right, we'll wet the face, we'll crack on, and we'll chat some bubbles. Thank you to everybody that went back and watched that last video. Somebody pointed out that there may be an issue with a clip at the front, so I deleted it and re-uploaded it. But it cost me about 200 views. So, hey ho, it is what it is. Lesson learned. Here you go, look. Summer Break salts, guys. The scent strength on this, I would put it about 5, but I've had this soap for a couple of years. and it's used regularly by my daughter Samantha. She absolutely loves it. Well, look at this, look, I've been sat there, so we'll give it a go. We'll do load on the brush, lather on the face. So how are you all doing? How's your weekend going? Oh, like I said, thanks for all the support and all the people that went back and re-commented on the last video. Oh, this week at work's flown past. I didn't think it would do. Chest infection's gone. I went back to the doctors. I've had some long-standing stuff going on, guys. Long-standing stuff. And he said to me, I've got to go and pick up some meds. He said, John, I think it's your stomach. I think it's gastric, what's going on. So, there you go, DE89. Yeah, very good. Very good razor. So, please let me know what your shaves are. And I say it all the time. Please let me know what you think of today's shave and the stuff used in today's shave, good and bad. Please give it a thumbs up and like. YouTube analytics tell me that still over half the people that watch these videos aren't subscribers. So please, if you're not a subscriber and you're watching these films, these videos, the best way you can show your appreciation is to hit that subscribe button. It helps grow the channel, it helps with YouTube analytics, helps with a whole raft of stuff. But it does, it's the best way as well that you can show your support. Oh, there you go. Wonderful. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. That smells fantastic. As I film this, everything's done. I'll be going in the shower later. I'm just going to go and sit down after and edit this and have a rest. Like I said, I've had a chest infection for about 2 weeks. It finally started to go. I felt it broke its back around about Wednesday. But I've got a very weak respiratory system. I used to smoke 60 cigarettes a day, guys. And I started smoking when I was 14. When I was a massive heavy smoker. And I decided to quit just before I was 30. But the damage was done. Well, I say the damage was done. I think I had a weak respiratory system as a result of poverty as a child anyway. And the smoking didn't help. So that's where we're at. Around about this time every year. If you watch my videos back around about this time every year, there will always be one where I've got some kind of chest infection, and that's why I get it regular as clockwork. The worst one was about 4 years ago. I nearly ended up in hospital. Just before, a couple of months before I started my channel. It was horrible. I grew resistant to the antibiotics and so on. Do you know what? I probably told you this in the last video. So we'll shut up, John, and get back to the shave. This razor is fantastic. Thank you to Mark Davis. The wonderful, wonderful haul of stuff that he sent me. If you haven't seen the video, I would recommend you look in my other videos and find it, a recent unboxing, and watch it. It's absolutely wonderful. I've been the recipient of so much generosity on this channel. Thank you to you all. So let me know what your shave of the day is. Here it is, come on. What's the other SOTD? Your slurp of the day. You know what I'm having. My wife is going out today. She's going to meet our granddaughter and they're going to go around the town. They're going to go to the mall and they're going to have some lunch and so on. So she said, I will go this morning and get you a bottle of wine. She come back, bottle of Jam Shed on the side. all ready. For my Saturday evening. What am I doing Saturday evening? I'll tell you. She wants to watch a film called Lakeview Terrace with Samuel L. Jackson. And if you don't know who Samuel L. Jackson is, any of you watched Ted when they met that girl called Samantha L. Jackson? And they said, like the actor, and she went, I don't know who Sam L. Jackson is. And Ted said, have you ever seen any movie ever? He was a black guy. Absolutely wonderful. There you go. So that's what we're watching. Look, lather mittens. That's my Saturday. So let me know what your slurp of the day is. And if you have a mind, let me know anything else you want to. The comments here are about, but not restricted to, wet shaving. You can share with us here in the comments anything you want. Because the people that watch these channels, watch my channel, and comment and subscribe, and email me, they really, really are like an unseen family. So don't ever feel, if you want to talk about something, that you can't, because you can, and it'll be welcome here. And there you go. And that is our maiden voyage DE 89 shave. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk up to the village. There's a little lake up there. I'm going to find a rope swing and I'm going to swing out as high as I can. The highest, steepest ropes. Swing out as high as I can, splash in the middle of the lake. So, if a news alert goes off either saying that a tsunami has hit Manchester, you'll know where it came from. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Hey? Absolutely BBS. Look, not a nick, not a cut, nothing. Absolutely wonderful shave. Thank you, Mark Davis. There you go. Shake vigorously. Shake vigorously before using here. Oh my word. Come on, here we go. First time using this splash. Let's see. It looks and feels skin foody, guys. Oh yes, now. Oh, what am I picking up in that? The moss. The moss and the woodsy notes and the ozone very much comes from them. That's absolutely, oh, it reminds me of something and I can't think what. Let's go here. This is good stuff, guys. Oh, and it's going to, oh yeah, blend in very, very well with that. That's our shave. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Thanks for all your support, all your likes, all your comments. It's absolutely wonderful, isn't it? Wonderful weekend, wonderful shave, wonderful community, wonderful guys. Okay, guys, and remember, take a deep breath and just say, today, I'm going to be nice to someone who doesn't deserve it. Hey? Wonderful. That's the standard that we set in the wet shaving community, isn't it? Look after yourselves. I will see you on Wednesday. And I've already got the soap lined up. Thank you, Mo. Bye.